Bollywood has taught us that no love story is complete without a trip to Switzerland. And here I am on my honeymoon to Switzerland. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. In this video, I am going to take you to Switzerland through my eyes and show you around. So, let's go. Right now, I am on my way to Switzerland from Germany. So as you can see, it is raining and what you can't feel is it is very cold. The journey was a long one and we had halted for lunch before we reached Switzerland. As you move from Germany to Switzerland, the entire landscape changes abruptly and the temperature also changes. So if you haven't experienced biting cold in Germany, keep your warm clothes handy because Switzerland will be chilling. We travelled in the month of January and it was very cold. The first stop in Switzerland was the Rhine Falls. You have already seen that we had cruised in the Rhine River in Germany. So if you haven't checked out my Germany video, I'll link it in the description box and you can see how we enjoyed our Rhine River cruise. This is the Rhine Falls and it is just at the border of Switzerland and Germany. If you are visiting Switzerland in summer, you can take a boat and it will take you up to the falls. Since we visited in winter season, it was not safe to travel to the falls, so all the boats were non-operational at that time. You can enjoy this view with authentic Swiss chocolate from a store just near the falls. The store also had a good collection of gifts and mementos, so you can check that out too. A word of caution, Switzerland is really expensive. So if you are getting a good deal on chocolates or gifts at this store, do check them out. After visiting the Rhine Falls, we continued our journey towards Interlaken. The journey was really long but extremely beautiful landscape. The beauty was out of the world and we enjoyed every single moment. The drive was so long that by the time we reached our hotel, it was late evening. So we immediately checked into our hotel and went for dinner. The traffic rules in Switzerland as well as the Swiss police are very strict. So it is compulsory to wear a seat belt while you are traveling in bus or car. Also, you are not allowed to stand in the bus while it is moving. The landscape was mesmerizing and it was like living a dream. We were absolutely enchanted by the beauty of the Swiss Alps. And the long journey was less tiring and more mesmerizing. Finally, after the long drive, we reached the Indian restaurant for dinner. We were very hungry and the food, as usual, was awesome. After dinner, we went straight to our hotel, Hotel Ibis in Interlaken. The next day was the one that we had really waited for because that day we would go to the top of Europe at Jungfrau. Day 2 in Switzerland started very early and we are on our journey to catch the train to Jungfrau. Jungfrau is at the top of Europe and it is located at 11,333 feet. The Jungfrau station is the highest mountain railway station in Europe. We had to catch our first train from Kleinschedig, which is the base station to travel to Jungfrau. As we approached the base station to catch the train to Jungfrau, our tour guide explained to us what are the things we need to carry with ourselves to the top of the mountain. We would stay there for quite some time, so we had to carry all our essentials. It would be much colder because it is at a height of 11,000 feet. So it was advised to carry some extra warm clothes. The scenic beauty was mesmerizing and it was out of a fairy tale and not a real world. As you can see, it was raining when we were traveling to the station, but luckily when we reached Jungfrau, it was crystal clear and we had awesome shots there. The train tickets for us was already booked by our travel guide and we did not have to wait when we reached the station. Finally, we have reached the station and I did not miss to get the iconic pose from the movie DDLJ. We had boarded our first train and the journey to Jungfrau had started. The first train took us to a station from where we had to board a second train. This train was a cogwheel train and it would climb the Alps at an inclination of 25 degrees. Your trip to Switzerland cannot be complete without the trip to Jungfrau. Now relax and enjoy the trip with an awesome beauty all around you. The trip to Jungfrau was almost a day long, so we had a complimentary lunch booked for us at the top of Jungfrau. The train journey was an amazing one and it looked like you're traveling through a paradise. This was a piece of heaven on earth. People from all over the world was traveling in this train to see the beauty of Jungfrau. As soon as you board the train and you are settled down, start capturing the beauty around you because a large part of the journey is through tunnels and you will miss this beauty very soon. Within a very short time you are taken to great heights, so you will suddenly feel the change of temperature and air pressure.
This is paradise, yeah.
The train stops at 2 stations before reaching Jungfrau. These stations give you a window to capture the awesome Alps. The train stops for a minute so that you can get down and get awesome glimpse and pictures of the Alps. Here 1 minute means literally a minute, so please be careful of your time, otherwise the train leaves you there and moves ahead. Okay, so here I am at the top of Europe and the view around is mesmerizing, stunning, marvelous. Just as we stepped out of the Jungfrau station, we were greeted by this view. It was very cold, windy and the stunning Swiss Alps all around you. You will feel you're not in this earth. As you can see in the video, it was bright sunny day and we enjoyed a lot with the snow and the awesome beauty of Swiss Alps all around us. It was extremely cold and the temperature was below freezing point. Jungfrau also has an astronomical observatory which is known as the Sphinx Observatory. So here you can see the observatory. You have probably seen this building in the Bollywood movie Hero, Love Story of a Spy. The place was so beautiful that it seemed like a dream, and I have never seen so much snow in my life. You can hike up to the top and pose with the Swiss flag like this. We were given enough time to enjoy the snow to our fullest and enjoy the view of the Alps. We also had a complimentary Indian lunch with complimentary champagne and this awesome view of Swiss Alps. Jungfrau is one of the most visited and must-visit places in Switzerland, and you cannot afford to miss visiting this piece of heaven on earth. Jungfrau is usually very crowded because tourists from all over the world make sure that they visit this place when they are in Switzerland. There is also a huge Lindt chocolate factory from where you can buy chocolates to your heart's content, and you get 1 chocolate per person complimentary. Finally, it was time to bid farewell to Jungfrau and come down to Interlaken in the cogwheel train. The journey down the hill was equally enchanting and we were mesmerized with the view of the snow and the Alps. The trip to Jungfrau was indeed a memorable one and the star of the show in Switzerland. We came down to Interlaken and spent the evening watching the sun set. We also visited the Casino Crucial at Interlaken. We strolled within the city and enjoyed this old town before going back to our hotels. As we rested for the day, the snow and Alps of Jungfrau flashed in front of us. This was the end of day 2 in Switzerland. The next day our trip to Mount Titlis was planned. In my next video, I'll take you to Mount Titlis and give you a ride of the world's first rotating cable car, that is the Titlis Rotator. I'll also come up with a tour of the old town of Lucerne. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. If you have, Do click the like button and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Take care and bye bye.